Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever says 10 times these words at the end of every Fajr prayer before speaking while his feet are still folded, means as he is sitting in tashahhud, then 10 good deeds will be written for him, 10 evil deeds will be removed from him, 10 degrees will be raised up for him, and he will be in security all that day from every disliked thing, and he will be in protection from shaitan, and no sin will destroy him that day except shirk. Jami Tirmizi. Hasan. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu lahul mulk wa lahul hamd yuhyi wa yumeet wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. There is no God except Allah alone, with no partner. To him belong the dominion, and to him is all the praise. He gives life and death, and he has power over all things.